Stop scrolling. I need your full attention for the next 10 minutes because what you are about to hear is the honest, unfiltered truth about the single biggest global event shaping your financial future right now. It is called the AI wealth divide. You've heard the panic. AI is coming for our jobs. You've heard the hype. AI is going to make us all millionaires. But both of those statements are only half true, and they distract from the real issue. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating a new class of super workers, a small group of people who know how to automate their income while the rest are left competing for scraps. My name is Kimberly Quinn, and for years, my mission has been to demystify the AI world to show you how to leverage it to live more like a human and less like a cartoon. Today, I'm cutting through the noise. We are going to look at 3 things. 1, the 3 jobs AI will absolutely eliminate in the next 12 months. 2, the 3 skills you must adopt to enter the AI Millionaire Class. And 3, the single best AI tool to create a passive income stream today. Trust me, this is the most important 10 minutes you will spend this week. Hit that like button if you're ready to master the future of work, and let's dive in. Let's start with the bad news, because without facing this reality, you can't future-proof yourself. The great job elimination has already started, and it's targeting jobs that require pattern recognition, high volume, and low human judgment. Category 1. The AI Automated Analyst. I'm talking about anyone whose primary job is crunching data, creating reports, or summarizing large documents. Think junior financial analysts, market researchers, and paralegals. Why? Because tools like ChatGPT and specialized large language models, LLMs, can process, synthesize, and report on 5 years of data in 30 seconds flat. They don't take coffee breaks. They don't need holidays. If your value is purely in analysis and presentation, AI has you covered. Your new job isn't the analyst, it's the AI Analyst Overseer. Category 2, the mid-tier content factory. If you are a video editor who relies on basic cuts, a copywriter focused on simple product descriptions, or a social media manager just scheduling posts, AI is not just replacing the content, it's here. Category 2, the mid-tier content factory. If you are a video editor who relies on basic cuts, a copywriter focused on simple product descriptions, or a social media manager just scheduling posts, AI is not just replacing the content, it's replacing the basic creation process. Generative AI video is getting frighteningly good. AI copywriting is already industry standard for low-value text. If you can be replaced by a basic $20 a month subscription to an AI tool, your job is officially in the danger zone. Category 3, the digital gatekeeper. This one's insidious. Think basic customer service reps, L1 tech support, and receptionists whose job is to filter and triage. The quality of AI chatbots and voice bots is no longer annoying. It's becoming genuinely helpful. Businesses are realizing they can offer 24/7 multilingual support without hiring a single person. Your value must now shift from triage to deep-level, empathetic problem-solving, the kind of stuff AI still struggles with. So, the jobs are shifting. That is an absolute fact. But this isn't a doomsday video. This is your training montage. Here are the 3 non-negotiable skills you must acquire right now to not just survive the AI wave, but ride it straight into the AI wealth class. Skill has shown, prompt engineering. This isn't just about asking ChatGPT a question, this is the new coding. It's the ability to craft highly specific, nested, and contextual commands to get an AI model to produce world-class output. It's the difference between asking, "Write an email," and asking, "Act as a high-value sales rep with 10 years experience. Write a persuasive email to a CEO about a B2B product, using the tone of a close trusted advisor, and keep it under 100 words. That specificity is the superpower. Learn it, master it, and charge a premium for it. Skill #2, AI-enhanced storytelling. AI can generate the content, but it cannot inject the humanity. Think about the biggest channels on YouTube. They aren't just tutorials, they are stories. Your job in the AI future is to be the curator, the storyteller, the emotional anchor. Use AI to do the tedious research, the B-roll generation, the first draft, but you, Kimberly Quinn, isn't about using one AI tool. It's about interconnecting all of them into a continuous, self-improving automation loop. This creates what the industry calls YouTube automation or content automation. Now for the fun part, you have the skills. How do you turn them into a reliable passive income stream? I'm going to give you the single most viral and accessible model for making money with AI right now. The model is simple, the niche AI tutorial channel, but with a twist. Don't teach everything about AI. Use your new full-stack audit skill to find a specific underserved niche. Instead of Learn AI, think the AI Guide for Small Florists or AI for Independent Truck Drivers. Niche down until it hurts. The tool and the trick. Your tool is a high-quality, easy-to-use AI text to video generator, something like InVideo or Pictory. The trick is to combine this with your prompt engineering skill. You prompt the AI to generate highly specific, evergreen videos for your tiny niche. 5 AI tools to automate your florist accounting. The video is 90% AI generated, but you provide the human 10%, the voiceover, the intro, the outro, and the unique editing style. The monetization is pure gold, affiliate marketing. You recommend the AI tools you use to make the video, for example, your affiliate link for ChatGPT Plus, your link for the video generator, your link for the SEO tool. You created a highly valuable video for a highly specific audience, all through automation, and you get paid every time they click your link. This is how the AI wealth divide is creating an overnight millionaire class. They are automating the creation and monetizing the tools. So there it is. The AI wealth divide is real. It's not about if your job is safe, it's about whether you are adapting your skill stack. The choice is simple. Will you be the worker who is automated away, or the super worker who profits from the automation? I believe in the latter, but it requires action today. Don't wait. Pick one of those 3 skills, commit to learning it this week, and start building your passive AI stream. Let me know in the comments, what niche AI channel are you going to start? I'll be reading every comment. Hit the subscribe button if you want the weekly blueprint to mastering AI and joining the new era of work. I'm Kimberly Quinn, and I'll see you in the future.